Guys, what's up? Alanna here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share my roasted broccoli recipe with you guys. It is super easy and delicious, and it is London approved. So for this recipe, of course, you're going to need some broccoli, and I just got this from the produce section. This is raw broccoli. And we're also going to need some extra virgin olive oil just to really help the broccoli soak up all of this good seasoning. Then I have Old Bay seasoning. You only want to use about a teaspoon of this stuff. It can get really spicy if you use more. A teaspoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper, and we can go ahead and preheat our oven to 400 and prep our broccoli. So this is a really quick meal to make. It takes less than about 20 minutes. I mean, this is a quick side dish to make. It's not really a meal, but it's a really quick side dish. It's one of London's favorites. She requests it actually a lot throughout the week. And all you see me doing here is just rinsing off the broccoli to make sure that it's clean. I'm going to go in with a knife and just cut the heads off of this broccoli. Now, if you are really into making your own vegetable broth and you love broccoli, you can totally keep the stems and boil them with a little bit of seasoning to make your own broth, but I just toss them out. So once I have all my broccoli cut up on my baking sheet, I'm just going to drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over my broccoli. And I'm going to break up the bigger pieces of broccoli and then just kind of massage that oil into the broccoli. This is going to help soften up the skin of this broccoli. That way it will be able to accept these seasonings a little bit better. So I'm just adding the garlic powder. I added the Old Bay already off camera, and I just added a little bit of salt and pepper. You don't want to go in too hard with the salt in this recipe because the garlic powder and the Old Bay are flavorful enough. Of course, you can adjust the seasonings by taste. And I'm just going ahead and I'm literally massaging those seasonings into the broccoli and prepping them to go into the oven. So this is what my broccoli looks like after I'm done massaging after I'm done massaging in all of that seasoning, and I'm just going to pop them right into the oven. Now you guys saw that my oven was set on 400 degrees, and I like to leave my broccoli in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. Really 10 minutes is the most. You don't want your broccoli to be too overcooked and soft because the most nutrients actually comes from the rawest form of vegetable. But, you know, we do want a little tenderness to the vegetable. So 10 minutes is usually perfect. They're not too soft and they are delicious and kid approved. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos.